welcome to another episode of Placement Diaries. Today we have Harshal sir with us. So he has secured a rank of 150 in UPSC. So sir, can you please introduce yourself?
Hello everybody, I am Harshit Kumar. I am 24 years old and I am a 2017 pass out from NSIT under the Instrumentation and Control branch.
So sir, how did you prepare for UPSC? When did you decide कि UPSC करना है and कैसे सब कुछ करा?
Yeah, the seed was actually in my mind from the childhood itself. Then when I came to this college, I had a great set of peers. And then in I think 2015, Ira Singhal ma'am from our college, she secured rank 1. So that's when that seed, ripened. And I had decided finally that I'd go for UPSC. And then in my third year, I purchased some basic books from a shop near Dwarka Mode metro station. And then I started reading on my own. And by the end of the engineering, I had decided that this is what I'll be doing. So I did not take any placement, and I joined a coaching thereafter to prepare for the service.
Okay, so coaching में कैसे क्या हुआ, books कौन सी ली थी, prepare कैसे किया and everything थोड़ा बता सकते हो?
हाँ, इसमें काफी मतलब we study engineering, but यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा social science centric syllabus होता है ना, तो उसके अंदर हिस्ट्री, ज्योग्राफी, इकोनॉमी, पॉलिटी एंड माय ऑप्शनल वाज सोशियोलॉजी, ठीक है, जो कि बहुत ही सेट से हटकर था. सो उसकी मैंने मेनली कोचिंग ली थी. देन यू हैव द बेसिक एनसीईआरटीज दैट यू हैव टू कवर, एंड उसके साथ साथ एक बेसिक सेट ऑफ बुक्स आता है जैसे लक्ष्मीकांत फॉर पॉलिटी. देन यू हैव क्लास 11 12 एनसीईआरटीज. वी हैव जीसी लियोंग फॉर ज्योग्राफी, एंड फॉर इकोनॉमिक्स you have various other sources. You have government websites, PIB होती है, government की जो nic.in वाली websites होती हैं, वहाँ से पढ़ा. And then it was usually supplemented by the coaching notes and some all standard books, very minimal number of books I followed.
So एक बारी आप पूरा UPSC के टेस्ट से लेकर इंटरव्यूज तक का प्रोसीजर बता सकते हैं, लाइक कैसे फर्स्ट पहले?
ये 3 stages का एग्जाम है. फर्स्ट इज द प्रीलिम्स. उसके अंदर 2 टेस्ट होते हैं. फर्स्ट इज द जनरल स्टडीज व्हिच हैज a syllabus which consists of almost all subjects and current affairs. It is of 200 marks, and the cutoff is usually of 98, 100, 105 marks. And the second paper is called the CSAT paper. It is an aptitude test. It is only qualifying in nature. So approximately 5 lakh or to 6 lakh people sit for the exam, which actually sit, and 10 lakh fill the paper, and prelims is cleared by approximately 10,000 people. So that's the first stage. It's a screening stage. Its marks are not added in the final list. Then you have the mains examination, approximately 90 to 100 to 120 days after the prelims has taken place. It is a subjective paper. Prelims is objective in nature, and mains is subjective in nature. It consists of 9 papers, of which 2 are of language, which are not counted in the final ranking. And then you have the essay paper, in which you have to write 2 essays. Then you have paper of 2 optionals, one optional, only one optional, which have 2 papers, optional 1 and optional paper 1 and optional paper 2. Okay, these are of 250 marks each. Then you have 4 papers of general studies, GS 1, 2, 3 and 4. GS 1 consists of history, art and culture, geography and the Indian society. GS 2 is basically polity and governance and international affairs. GS 3 is basically economics, agriculture and disaster management and internal security, and GS 4 is of ethics. And after this, approximately 2 to 2,500 people qualify the mains examination. And then there's a personality test. The final test is the personality test, in which you have to face an eminent board in the UPSC. And this year, around 800 people have qualified out of the 2,500. So in that 2,500, in that 800, we have various services like the administrative service, the police service, the foreign service, the revenue service, and many other services are there.
So you got a rank of 150. Which service are you going to join?
I have been allotted the Indian Administrative Service, and I'll be joining the academy in Mussoorie, the Lal Bahadur Shastri National Academy of Administration, on 8th of October.
Okay, so it's like a few days left before you are going to join the academy, right?
Yes.
How's
Yeah.
the feeling after securing a rank like 150?
The feeling was really surreal, but
So
with all the prestige, there's a lot of responsibility that comes. Uh, so that is a little taxing.
one more thing, जो interview part था, did you take any coaching or anything for that? Like how did you
Actually,
prepare for the interview?
this was my second attempt. So in my first attempt, I had made to the interview stage last year, but I couldn't make it to the finalist. So the main hurdle last year was the interview itself. I had scored relatively less marks in the interview, and this is an exam where each mark matters. On each mark, you have like 14, 15 ranks. So I had low interview score. So this time when I cleared mains, I had joined various mock interviews. I gave around 12 to 13 mock interviews, and I hope that would reflect in the final scores that haven't come out yet.
So one last question is, do you have any suggestions for juniors like who want to go to civil services and are currently in an engineering background or like in any other background? What steps should they follow?
Firstly, they should be clear why they want to join the service, because it is firstly it is very hard to clear the exam, and secondly the real hardness starts after you have cleared, because it's a tough service. All of the services are really tough. And then secondly, if you are sure about your reasons, then you can start with preparing like basic books. And if you are from NSIT, you should be very confident, because a lot of people from our college are getting into the top services through this exam. And one thing I see is that a lot of good colleges like IIT Delhi and other such IITs have societies related to the civil services society of people who are trying to get into the service. They form this little societies in colleges. I think that is what our college is missing, and I think we have a very well established alumni network, and various people would be able to contribute to that whatever society that people form in the college, and that way all can nurture, and a lot of people can get into the service from our college.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. It was like really great talking to you, getting to know things about UPSC and how you prepared.
Thank you, Nishan.